What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a It's Just Trading trade recap for today. Today is February 9th, and we're just going to hop right into the recap. So, if you haven't watched my videos before, I trade price action, and essentially I just use market structure shifts as my direction. So we're just gonna walk it up into the day, and I'll show you guys what I saw. So overnight we created the new week opening gap right here. We ended up filling that gap during London session overnight, and I was looking for us to close above this high right here, this 4 hour high, which we did. Um, we closed above the 4 hour high. So coming into the week, I would look to be trying to target levels like this, or this high right here, and it's a 4 hour high. Um, but yeah, so we closed above here. So I'm looking for longs. If I come into a 4 hour area of interest to be able to take a long play. So we're just gonna walk this down. And I'll just go ahead and foreshadow. I ended up taking shorts right at market open. And reason being is because, like I said, I trade market structure shift. So this is my 4 hour that we market structure shifted long from. And then if you're looking here now on the 1 hour, we have this low that made the highest high, and we ended up closing below it here. And this was at 5 a.m. So I'm gonna play a couple candles forward. And then here is the 9 o'clock candle on this line right here. So the level that we would have to hold would be here on the 1 hour if we was going to continue deep even shorter. So as long as we were under this area, I was okay with taking shorts at market open. And we also put in this hourly swing low down here, and we also have this hourly swing low to be able to use as targets if we get a trade opportunity coming back down in this direction. So then we're going to drop down to the 15 minutes. So we already know that our 1 hour shifted short. Our 4 hour is bullish, but our 1 hour is short. And if you take a look here, we went short on the 15 minute here, and then we had a retracement back up like this. And essentially I was waiting to see if we were going to go we was going to end up flipping this 15 minute short as well, which would have gave me the notion that, hey, we could push down to these levels right here. You just need to know where you're going for the moment. Let's see here. So we ended up, now we have the 1 hour and the 15 minute both in the same direction. So for me to get in a trade opportunity to try to target these levels, I would want to see price retrace a little bit, maybe back to this breakout, and then come back down. So the idea that I had, okay, we started to track up here on the 5 minute, and then when I checked my 2 minute and my 1 minute, so my 2 minute, we did a market structure shift back long, so we held the 2 minute market structure, and then we got this strong candle down like this. So that's good signs for me. So essentially I was just waiting on market to open, and then I wanted to enter at this fair value gap right here like this. So and to try to target these levels down here. So if I got in here, that would give me, this would be 50 points, and then this would be 100 points. But the price ended up going like 109 points. But yeah, so these was the levels that I was trying to target. And if you know me, anything 100 points or more as far as like a target, I'm willing to take that trade, because I know I can at least make money in the middle of this. Now, having my 15 minute short and my 1 hour short at market open, if we pull back, I would want it to get in this, and I was watching how the reaction was going to be also on that candle. If it looked like we wanted to stay strong and go back up, there was a potential that we could flip the 15 minute longs with the 4 hour, and then we could, continue the 4 hour market structure. So I was only trying to target these lows, these hourly lows right here that we had created overnight. And this ended up also being London low right here. So at market open, we opened up. Literally, we pulled back into this right here. And within the first, not even the whole minute, within the first minute, we came all the way down, hit our target. And we was out of that trade for $1,000. I think I had my $1,000 like right there. So my target was $1,000. So we ended up literally no time, opened up, came straight down, hit the target. You just need to know where you're going for the moment. You don't need to try to flip the 15-minute or the hourly. You don't need to flip them. You just need to use them as targets to you just need to use them as targets to get to, and you want to use them as areas that are the best possible area for you to get in to push you in that direction. That's all you got to do. So that's the trade recap of the day. One and done, market open, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If you want to learn how to trade like me, if you want to, see more stuff like this, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below, and I'll catch you in the next one.